Yo, yo, check it. Check it out, nigga. What? What? Yo, I told the nigga I'm trying to fucking feel her nipple. I told that fucking bitch to suck my dingling. Stupid ass bitch. Make sure you suck my fucking dick. Stank asshole. That's why you smell just like shit. I told that fucking bitch to shut the fuck up. Be in that bitch face and fuck that hoe up in the truck. I fucked that hoe behind a fucking cantaloupe. Fuck that bitch in the mouth and then I peed in the throat. I told that